Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, confirm Java versions, and where applications run so you don't break production. Next, scan your builds and deployments for all Log4j artifacts, jars inside war/ear, shaded libs, and Docker layers. Once done, download Log4j API and Log4j Core version 2. 17 and their checksums into a staging repository or local cache. You'll need these files ready to replace or rebuild artifacts. This reduces downtime and avoids hunting for missing dependencies mid-update. You now change the declared dependency to Log4j2. 17 in every build file, POM, XML, build, Gradle, and any BOM or lock file. Make sure to pin the version so transitive dependencies don't reintroduce older Log4j. Then rebuild every module and inspect dependency trees to confirm only 2. 17 appears. Once rebuilt, repackage Docker images and CI artifacts, tag them clearly, and run unit plus integration tests. This step ensures runtime classes match compile time expectations and avoids class loader conflicts. You deploy the stage 2, 17 artifacts to a canary or limited environment and monitor startup logs, stack traces, and JVM class paths to confirm the new class's load. If you encounter conflicts, make sure to inspect shaded jars, third-party bundles, and class loader isolation. Often a duplicate Log4j jar remains embedded. Resolve by removing or relocating the old jar, or adjust class loader strategy. If that fails, roll back to the previous tagged build and communicate a patch window. This preserves service while you fix packaging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.